million miles away. Yeah, I'm already gone. Just
Diana, oh, dirty Diana, oh. Y'all, I'm back with some human hair drip. It is not on this gorgeous wig that's on my head, but it's from the same company. That's Nadula hair. Y'all, I'm not even into human hair, and this wig got me feeling like a whole entire mood. Ooh, so Nadula hair sent me over this one that's on my head and this one. I'm pretty sure this one, I uploaded a review on this one already, so go check it out. But I'm not sure what else they done sent us in this little Merry Christmas box. Let us see. Ooh, okay. All right, so in this box, they have something to hold your little edges down. I ain't got no edges. Shut up. Stocking caps and a little Christmas charm bracelet. How cute is that? Okay. And let's get into this wig though. This wig, I'm thinking it's the same cap construction, just a different curl pattern. Let us hope. This one is 22 inches long and it's Jerry curl. Jerry curl? Look at that description box, you'll see all the doggone facts about this wig. Because this one on my head is body wave and it's gorgeous. So let's see if we like this Jerry curl, okay? Let's see if it got the same cap construction too. All right, I'm just taking it out the paper, girl. Shut up. Okay. This one, oh, y'all, look at that Jerry curl. Though. That don't remind me of the Jerry curls that my aunties had in the 80s, though. This one a whole bop. Look at the cap construction. You get all that lace, just like this one on my head. You get a comb here to the right. You get a comb to the left. You get a comb in the back with your adjustable strands. Y'all, look at that Jerry curl. Okay, I'm gonna have to get some water, some mousse. Be a tropical little island princess. All right, we're gonna take this gorgeous, this one off my head, and we're gonna put on Jerry curl. And then I'm gonna come back with my final thoughts. Y'all looking at me like I look like a smooth criminal, like I'm supposed to be asking Annie, is she okay? But y'all, this wig is right up my doggone alley. Y'all, this is absolutely gorgeous to me. It gives me now very 80s, very, you know, vintage tees. But y'all, this is everything that I need. I just want to randomly scream out, "Shimon Lee!" Like that's what I really want to scream out, y'all. But I absolutely love it. The issue that I'm having right now is I want to keep this wig because I love the way it looks on me, but where the hell I'm gonna wear it? Y'all know I'm normally bald. Y'all, this is absolutely gorgeous though. I hands down recommend this wig to anybody that is into vintage tees. The interesting part is you can keep it down like this. Y'all, you could also pull some up into a ponytail. And that's very vintage. Y'all, I love this wig. And the hair is super, super soft. So when it said Jerry curl pattern, I was like, ooh, 1980s realness. Y'all know I'm really 1980s realness, like a flash dancer. That's what I feel like, y'all. Enter the Dragon. Y'all, this is cute. I absolutely 100% love this wig, and this wig is for somebody. If you've been looking for a curly wig like this with bangs, bam, here you go, human hair version. I love it, y'all. Hands down, 100% recommend. Nadula hair is real good about giving me a coupon code, so if you look in that box, you will see it. Dang, y'all, I want to keep this for myself, but I know I ain't gonna wear it. You never make me stay, so take your weight off of me. I know your every move. Okay. Y'all, I love it. Like I would say, maybe you're not even into wigs. Maybe it's your Auntie Janet. Maybe it's your Uncle Michael. Y'all knew I was going there. Whichever one of them, send them our way. And me and Nadula, hell, get them right. Until next time, y'all, which will be very soon.